What are the steps involved in transferring a GTA Online character to another account?
Hello there, fellow GTA Online enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that's often on players' minds: transferring a GTA Online character to another account. Whether you're planning to switch gaming platforms or simply want to share your well-developed character with a friend, this guide is here to assist.
What do you need to know?
First things first, it's crucial to understand that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Rockstar officially discontinued the service of character transfer between accounts or platforms due to various issues like modding and hacking. If this policy hasn't changed, you won't be able to transfer your character using official means. However, for the sake of providing information, we'll discuss the old method of character transfer when it was still available. Always check with the official Rockstar support for any updates or changes in policy.
The previous process for character transfer.
When the service was still active, the process was fairly straightforward. Here's how it worked. 1. Sign into your Rockstar Games social club account. This was required as it served as the bridge between the two platforms or accounts. 2. Link your console accounts. Whether you were transferring from PS4 to Xbox One, or any other combination, you'd have to link these accounts to your Rockstar Games social club account. 3. Initiate the transfer. After linking, you'd sign into GTA Online on your target platform, and the game would prompt you to transfer your character. 4. Confirm the transfer. After reviewing the details, you'd confirm the transfer. It's worth noting that the process was not reversible.
The current scenario.
As mentioned earlier, the above process is no longer available officially. As an alternative, Rockstar encourages players to start fresh on the new platform or account. While this means you'll have to earn your stripes all over again, it ensures fair gameplay and preserves the integrity of the game. While we all love the idea of transferring our well-developed characters, as of now, the character transfer option isn't officially available. If anything changes, Rockstar will undoubtedly make an announcement. In the meantime, enjoy the thrill of the game and remember, the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Happy gaming!